An unusually strong wind gust may have caused a large tree to fall last night, crashing onto a bus stop and injuring a woman. That's according to a certified arborist who inspected the damage today. The 40-foot-tall tree crushed the bus stop on Ala Moana Boulevard. EMS says the roof then landed on a 19-year-old woman and severely injured her legs. She was taken to the hospital in serious condition. We wanted to know if there were any signs the tree was in danger of coming down. Manola Morales got some answers. Manola?
Joe, the city would not talk to us on camera today, so we went to find our own tree expert. Now, the arborist tells me the tree itself was in good shape, but the strength and the direction of the winds last night likely caused the tree to come down. The tree that fell is known as a yellow poinciana. Arborist Doug DeMoss tells me it's a fairly common shade tree, and he estimates this one to be about 50 years old. He points out that the trees at Ala Moana Park do not have deep roots because of the coral bed underneath.
Without a tree putting down deep anchoring roots, they're susceptible to a severe weather event like this.
So but was the tree too top heavy then?
Probably not. No. I mean, the park goes through annual maintenance where the crowns are reduced, crowns are lifted, all liability pruning, right? It's just, these things happen.
Experts tell me that it was probably one strong gust of wind that not only knocked this tree down, but blew away several other branches in the park. DeMoss adds that the winds were also coming from the opposite direction. Instead of the normal trade winds, the storm brought southeast or Kona winds. He also points out that the tree next to the one that fell has lost all its leaves, which would have provided protection.
It should have a canopy like that. Okay, in other words, leaves, right? The whole canopy. So all that acts as a buffer, right? So now this is died back and lost all its leaves. So that buffer is not there anymore.
Hey, this is Manola Morales with KHON2.
We reached out to the city to find out how often the trees at the park are maintained and if other trees will be inspected. We got an email late this afternoon saying the tree that fell was last trimmed in September 2015. Trees are trimmed and inspected every 18 to 24 months. A spokesman also sent a statement saying, "We send our thoughts and well wishes to the young woman who was injured and hope she has a full and speedy recovery. It's unfortunate that a tree came down during a heavy thunderstorm Monday evening." The city adds that other trees in the park have been inspected and there are no plans to remove any of them. As for the injured woman, we've learned that she is a visitor from Canada and is still recovering at the hospital. Joe?